As the National Arboretum for Britain, we wanted a building that represented the status of the site. We wanted a signature building, a renowned architect, and also being the organisation we are, growing lots of timber, we wanted to showcase timber in all its glory.
The building is split into an equal number of radial grids. It's about 9 metres deep by about 40 metres long. It's 9 metres high at its apex and about 4.5 metres tall at its broadside, which means the roof has about a 45-degree pitch. The building is actually set in a slight dip in the land, which means that the first thing that you see as you approach the building is the roof. What we've managed to create is a really elegant, beautiful carpet of shingles across the roof. Shingles come in various sizes, and we specified a royal shingle, which is a 600mm long shingle. It was the biggest shingle, so when it was spread across a relatively large roof, the grain of it didn't disappear too much. We also chose bias cut shingles, which are split along the grain of the timber. So rather than being cut from end grain and absorbing moisture, they'll allow water to drain off the surface of the shingle.
While the PEFC credited shingles were sourced in Normandy, where there was a bias cut machine available, to accord with the aims of the project as an exemplar of a UK-sourced green timber structure, all the FSC certified timber frame and external cladding were sourced, sawn and fabricated in the UK.
Douglas fir became an option, so we went for using green Douglas fir, which we managed to source from Shropshire in the substantial section sizes that we've used. A bit of specialist careful designing the connections to make sure they could deal with the fact that green timber shrinks and hence cracks as it shrinks. So we needed to design the connections with a bit of spare capacity to deal with should those cracks hit the bolt lines and weaken the joints slightly. But in the end, it's used a UK sourced timber that's going to hopefully demonstrate what you can do with UK timber.
Western red cedar is a light, naturally durable, straight-grained timber which makes it easy to saw and work with. It is moderately to highly durable, and this is because of the natural phenols within the timber. They are excellent natural fungicides and are highly toxic to wood-decaying fungi.
We've got a fantastic example of a timber building, and as you can see, it provides this huge sense of arrival which one would expect as one turns up at a site like this.